This conference will now be recorded.
So yesterday we saw public subnet, right? Today we'll see private subnet. Simple. So the servers which are in the private subnet, they okay. So those servers will not communicate with internet. Yesterday we discussed that. So today we'll see the practical. Uday, any question Uday, in private subnet in theory? Uday? Is it mute? Uday, I think you are in mute.
Okay, only difference between public subnet and private subnet is internet gateway is not attached to private subnet. That's it. Correct?
Yeah, so that's it. And no, yeah, so the servers which are the private subnet, those servers will not communicate with open internet. Why? Because for security purpose, all those things and all. So sometimes we will not enable internet for some of the servers.
Yes, correct.
Again, I will create one VPC. I deleted yesterday VPC. Yesterday I deleted all those things and all. Yeah, again, I need that one. Okay, so now I will create one. Okay, so one VPC. Just private VPC, private subnet. So your VPC, my IGW. Oh, I get my IGW. Create subnet. So my subnet, some name subnet VPC. Say okay. So I'll use the same thing. This one. Same. After we discuss it. So I created my subnet here. So that's it. Now if we right, so internet gateway, so we will not apply in internet gateway for for the private subnet, all those things and all. So if now if I deploy any servers in the subnet, those servers will not get any internet connection. Why? Because we didn't attach it internet gateway to that subnet. Okay,
Ram,
you
your
no need
voice
to check
is
also. It will
breaking.
breaking.
Yes, there is problem with voice.
Okay. Now,
Now seems okay.
okay, fine. Now, if I deploy any instance, right? If I deploy any instance in the private subnet, so it will not receive any internet, right? Because we don't have internet gateway to, okay, to this subnet. So I will deploy. Okay, I will. Okay, at least we are unable to log in also, right? Because log in we need public IP. My VPC. So my subnet. Okay. The server is in the private subnet, so we will not attach, we will not assign any public IP. Okay, the private servers, we will not assign the any public API or any elastic API. We will not assign any public API or elastic API. You can see here. Okay, so you can see here. So okay. Which are so with public API we can't log into the server from putty. From putty we can't log in. Private API. If you want to try, you can try. See connection refused. The private API, right? So we can't log into the servers using putty. Okay. Then how to check whether it is getting internet or what? It is not getting internet. How to check? Any idea? Any guesses? Okay. I have one private server. I want to check. I want to log into the server. I want to check whether it is connected to internet or not. How to check?
Ping
Um,
ping on HP.
no, ping will also not work. Maybe in public subnet you have to create one server which will have access of that private subnet server, and by accessing public
Yes.
server, from that public server you can ping to a private subnet server.
Like jump server. Yeah. Like
Jump
jump
server.
server concept.
Correct.
Ali, any idea about jump server concept?
No.
So in AWS it is called Bastion server, right?
Yeah. Yes, we will call it Bastion server. Normally jump server. For example, what we will do, right? So I have some multiple servers. Okay, multiple servers. These are all the private servers. Like these servers don't have the any public API or elastic API. Directly we can't log into these servers. What I will do, I will create one server, one central server, like one central server, like into a gateway called jump server or a passion host, jump server or a passion host. This will be in the public network, public subnet. I will log into this server first. From here, I will SSH. SSH. This server IP or this server public name. This server name. Okay. For security purpose, so okay, they will so it will okay. So they will not give direct access to all the servers direct from putty or from your laptop or desktop. We have to log into one server, jump server, or central server, passion host, terminal server, something. Hari, in your production data, there will be one jump server. If you observe right, there will be one jump server in your production also.
Okay.
First, we will log in.
I have to check.
Sorry.
Okay. I will check.
Uh, how we will log into Linux servers? Directly you log in.
Through putty we'll log in, right?
Direct from to all the servers.
No, we don't have any basically Linux actually. We all have Windows
Oh,
only.
okay. How we log into Windows? All the
Remote
servers to
desktop.
all the servers. Huh?
Remotely.
To
But
all the servers you will log in directly.
no, we have one IP will be there. So
Uh-huh.
based on the remote servers only we will log in.
Okay. Same. Windows also same thing. Windows also
Okay.
will have one name, terminal server. First we will
Okay.
log into the terminal server. From there we will connect to other servers.
Okay. Maybe I will check there. Okay. Tomorrow.
So take it out, let server 1, 2, 3 until. So directly I can't log into this server, whether it's Windows or Linux, whatever it may be. Directly I can't log in. Why? Because security purpose, so they will not allow to log in directly. What we'll do, we'll have one jump server at terminal or bashing host. First we'll log in here, log into here, then SSH. If it is Windows, RTP. From here, RTP. Okay, Hari? Your jump server will be on the public network. Okay. So through public IP, you can log into your jump server. From jump server, you will do SSH or RDP to your private servers. Same thing here also. Here also same concept. First what I will do, I will create one public public. Any questions still now? Okay, Hari?
No questions.
Okay. So here we have like one simple easy way to create our VPC server, but in production we will not use. Okay. If you go here, VPC dashboard, you can see here launch VPC widget. So usually this, we can with a single click we can launch these things, VPC or subnet, whatever you can see here. Single public subnet, public and private subnet, and VPC, those things and all. Okay. With a single click you can in production we will not use this thing. In interview also don't say this thing. Okay. So in interview we will create manually like yesterday, or we will use the script, JSON script, something is there. Okay. We have one scripting also that we will discuss later. So okay, this single click we will not use. Okay, we will not use in the production. So for demo purpose, okay, to save our time and all, I'm using the single click. I'm creating on a public subnet. Okay, yesterday I deleted, so that's why my VPC. Same thing. Okay, yesterday we discussed it, a public subnet. It was all the zone, IP, all those things and all.
Ram, your public subnet IP before CADRs, like right now currently it is 24, which means it will allow all the access, right? 24 means full access, right? The IP.
No, who said 24 means full access?
But I overheard. No one said, but I heard like it might be 24 means full access.
No, not like that. I will later we will discuss.
Okay,
In
okay,
24,
okay,
right?
fine.
24 will have some number of IPs. We will get some number of IPs. Like
Okay,
some, I will send the screenshot later, okay? In
okay,
WhatsApp.
okay, then. Okay.
In 16, we will get some number of IPs. 17, we will get some number of IPs. Okay? I will send the screenshot later so you can refer that one.
Okay.
So now which one I have created now recently? Which one I created? So yeah, I can see two things here. I deleted two things. Two again I will create. I don't know which one I created recently.
You can check EC2's VPC. Correct?
Just okay. Anyway, I will delete both and I will create just simple the 1 minute task. Right? Again, I will face any issues something. I think I created this thing now. I created this thing. Right? You can see it is not allowing to delete. Why? Because something. Okay. You see some. Okay, I'll look at once again. So I have one VPC now. Okay, new VPC. I'll create some subnet on public. Okay, I'll delete this thing. Just I'll give private subnet VPC. So new VPC. So I'll use this one. Alert was there, so it is not creating. I will delete the existing one because already it was there with same, so that's why it is
Ram,
net instance.
question.
Uh,
In case
yes,
suppose while doing subnetting, uh, overlapping condition arises, then AWS this dashboard, VPC dashboard automatically recognizes it.
yeah. Just now we saw right. So you can see here you have one same. Okay. We create
Okay.
now. It's not allowing. It is not allowing.
Okay.
I deleted. Yeah, if the in you config right, it will detect automatically. So you don't need to bother about. Let me delete this thing. So first we have to delete the instance in the subnet. Then only you will allow to delete the subnet. Okay, so I'll create so private subnet VPC giving your my new VPC. Here I will give a different. If I give the same thing, to not allow. See here, I am giving same. Okay. Not allow. You can see here. So I use some just one change one number. Just here I change one number. That's it. You can see here. Okay. So now I have public and the private subnet. So internet gateway and I think already it was created everything with my a single click. So now what I will do? So now I will launch instance in a public and private both. Any
Can you show
confusions
me route?
as of now? Uday?
Yeah. Can you show me route table, please?
Yeah.
Route table and its rules.
Which one? Private and public subnet?
Both.
Here, how to identify my public subnet route table? Tell me. I want to identify. So, which is the private subnet route table? How to identify? Uday, how to identify? Any guesses?
Uh, by VPC ID.
VPC. Here I have like you can see two VPCs. So which one? This one. Okay.
No, confused.
Okay. Here right. Public subnets. So we will attach custom route table. Just best practice. Just best practice. That's it. So it is not mandatory. To identify easily, always, custom route tables will attach to public subnets. Just very best practice. Okay. To identify easy, to avoid confusions, all those things and all. So okay, just we will follow one rule. Custom route table will attach to public route subnet. Main route table Main route table means the default one. If you create one VPC along with your VPC, one main route table, it will get automatically. Default route table. The main route table will attach to private servers. That's it. If you want, you can attach like this also, like this also. It will work based upon these rules only. Yet main thing is rules only, not the names, not the names. Only these rules. These rules only we have to. So we have to observe carefully. Just best practice to avoid confusion. Always custom route tables will attach to public subnet. Main route tables means the default route tables. If you create VPC along with your VPC, you will get the what default or main route table. That main route tables will attach to private subnets. Okay, Uday, Hari?
Okay.
Just best practice, just to avoid confusion, to easy identify purpose, we will attach these things. Okay. Yeah, the name is not important. This rules is important. This rules is important. Okay, that's it. So name is not important. Just to avoid confusion, to identify easily, so we will follow this method. Now tell me. So now what is the public subnet route table? So what is the private subnet route table? It come now.
So those which are attached to my VPC and new VPC, those are custom.
Which one? This one?
Yes. First three.
First three custom.
Yes.
Custom route tables.
Yes.
Custom route tables.
Ram, I guess like when you said the custom route tables are connected to the main VPC, whatever is the main SES is the custom route table.
Not. Wait. Can you repeat once, Adi?
Yeah, the if you see in the column main, which are connected as yes, are the custom route tables.
These are the custom route tables.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Main is equal to yes means these are the main route tables. These are the main route tables.
Okay.
This is the custom route table. You
Okay.
see, main is equal to no. This is the custom
Okay.
route
I
table.
said vice versa. Okay, fine.
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the custom route table. So okay. This one I have created manually with a single click. When I create it with a single click, so automatically it will create the one custom route table also. This is the custom route table. And this is public subnet. This is public subnet route table. This one public subnet route table. If you see here, if you open the route table, there you can see IGW. You can see IGW. Okay, Uday? Hari?
Yes.
You see here, automatically it is attached to my subnet. You can see here. So these things are done automatically. So when I create my VPC with a single click, okay. Yesterday we did manually. So on the time same thing we did yesterday, right? But today we did some automatically with a single click. Yesterday we did manually. This one. This is your default route table. Nothing is there. You can see here. Nothing is there in this. Nothing is there because subnet association. So nothing associated. Okay, Uday?
Yes.
Are there any confusions, Adi? Maybe you have some confusion. Okay. Just see yesterday recording, okay? So yesterday we discussed a lot of things.
Yeah.
Okay. Right. So now what I will, okay. Now what I will do? So I will launch my servers in my subnets. First, I will launch my public I will enable. Okay, so you can, public servers we need public IP. That's why I enable here. Any confusions? So okay, maybe because yesterday you didn't attend it, so that's why I think you may have some confusions. Hari, I think he's in mute.
Yeah. Ram. I'm aware of this. No problem.
Just go through yesterday video, okay, so later today night and all, okay, so then you will
Yeah.
come to know something. Yesterday we discussed a lot of things, that what is the internet gateway, route tables, all those things.
Okay. Sure.
It's really very important. This concept,
This is
whatever we're
like
discussing yesterday and today, very, very important.
I have gone through this one. Keep PEM file and PPK files.
So one more server, so I will deploy in private subnet. So VPC. Private subnet. Private subnet, so no need to assign public IP. We should not assign public IP. So now I have two servers. One is public subnet server, one is private subnet server. Okay. So now I will log into public server, public subnet server, as usual. From here, so okay, from here, so we can SSH to private servers. Now this server will act as a jump server. Okay, Hari? This public server, this public subnet server will act as a jump server. From here, I can SSH to my private servers.
Right. Okay.
So now how to okay, so I will SSH. Okay, so take private server, private IP, private, private IP, SSH. It will work, it will work, it will not work. Okay, any cases, it will work out, it will not work out. You will log in, you will not log in.
Security group access.
Security group I given in all traffic or anywhere.
Okay.
Permission denied.
NACL.
In AWS, we have NACL. No. In AWS, we have one concept. From Windows to putty, to Linux servers, then we dot PPK case.
For Linux.
Linux to
PEM
Linux,
file.
dot PEM files. Right?
Yes, you have to use PEM file for login.
What?
So you have to upload PEM file to this server, and then using that PEM file you can log in.
In jump server, that your public server, I have to upload my PEM files. I'll create some keys.pem. So just copy your keys. Control A, Control C, copy entire file. Control A, Control C, just paste here. Insert, just paste here. Save it. My keys, my PEM keys, I copy into my jump server, my public server. Okay, Uday, Hari?
Yes, but you need to change permission also, right?
Mode 400 keys. Okay, Uday, Hari, any questions are here?
Correct.
No, no questions.
Okay. SSH. So SSH hyphen include. So your key names and EC2 hyphen user, your public IP, your private server, private IP. Sorry. Okay, Hari. Just here, I am including my keys. I am including PEM keys and the default username at the rate of
EC2.
my private IP.
Right. Okay.
Now you can see here. You can see now. Before I was here 0 157. Now I am here 110. Means I logged into my private server.
Okay.
So what I said, for private servers, we will not get the internet connection, right? I will try to download something
Yeah.
in my private server. You can see here. Sudo su m install m install m install. You can see here, it is not going forward. It's stuck here. Just stop here. Means so we don't have internet. Okay, Uday, Hari.
Okay.
Yes.
But I need internet for sometimes to download any softwares, to update, to patching purpose. Sometimes I need internet. What to do?
Then you can attach public subnets route table to this subnet, or
Okay.
you can create NAT gateway, or you can assign temporary public IP. These are three ways,
Okay.
correct?
So you given three ways. NAT gateway is correct option. Why? Because I'll tell you later. First
Okay.
option you. So that internet gateway, the option, the internet gateway option. So we need to attach to private site. Purpose is private subnet security. Main purpose is to deploy servers in private subnet security. If you attach internet gateway concept, that internet gateway route table, internet gateway, then what will do? Internet gateway will allow incoming and outgoing traffic. Internet gateway will allow incoming and outgoing traffic. So, if it is allow outgoing traffic, means no security, right? Okay.
Yes, correct.
Same thing if you attach public API also. Same thing. Public API by nature, public API also it will allow incoming and outgoing traffic. Again, no security. So NAT gateway is the correct option. Why? Because NAT gateway will allow only incoming traffic. It will not allow outgoing traffic.
Incoming to whom? So from our server, it will allow connection to go out, right? For internet.
Allow incoming and outgoing traffic. Just leave spelling mistakes. NAT gateway. Allow only incoming traffic. Only incoming traffic. So the internet both incoming and outgoing traffic. NAT gateway will allow only incoming traffic. Means it will not allow outgoing. Means from your server you can't send anything to the internet.
Okay.
The private subnet concept is security. If you want more security your servers, then we have to deploy in our servers in private subnet. So if sometimes we need internet to patch, upload, updating patch that packages, software, so then we will attach NAT gateway. NAT gateway will provide the internet. What type of internet it will provide? It will provide only incoming traffic. Outgoing traffic it will not allow. Means from our server we can't send anything to internet to world. Okay, confusion? Any confusion here? Okay. Any confusion?
No.
No.
You can see it. A NAT gateway will allow only incoming traffic through if a request for it originated from an instance in a private subnet. It will not allow outgoing traffic. Means you can't send any traffic from your server to internet outside. Outside means the internet to world. You can't send any traffic.
Yes, now I understood. But suppose I want to patch my server, so I have to fire update command, correct?
Yes, that's it, right? So then it will upload, it will download. It means it will come only incoming traffic. You don't need to
Correct.
outside now. You not
Correct.
require outgoing traffic here to patch, install, upgrade, migration and all.
So first my EC2 will generate request. That request will go to NAT gateway. NAT gateway it will go to internet, and its return traffic will be allowed. But apart from that, other than that, if anybody want to access my EC2 from outside, that will not be allowed.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, now it is clear.
Hari, any confusion, Hari?
Nothing from my side.
Now you see, I will tell you now how here. So the NAT gateway we should deploy in public subnet. NAT gateway we should deploy in public subnet. Why means it needs private API, elastic API. To NAT gateway we have to attach elastic API. Okay. By nature, so we should deploy always we should deploy NAT gateway in private public subnet, and it should be part of private subnet main routing. So NAT gateway we should deploy into public subnet, and it should be part of your private subnet route table. you can see here. This is my private subnet route table. In this route table, we have mentioned our NAT gateway entry. So, and we have associated this thing to this subnet. Then, so okay, so this rules will applicable to this subnet. Understand? Uday? Hari? Any confusions here?
No. Can I ask one related question?
Yeah.
Okay. Is there any situation or any setup where there is only private subnet, there is no public subnet?
No, I didn't get your question.
Okay. I mean, while creating infrastructure in AWS for any company, uh, they can create two type of subnet in VPC, right? One
Yes.
public or private. Okay.
Yes.
So is there any infrastructure where only private subnet is created and no public subnet at all?
No, we did both. For jump servers, you need public subnet first of all. For NAT gateway, you need public subnet. Means, assume that, for example, I will have 1 or 2 public servers, or the more 8 to 10 private subnets.
Okay.
So we need
Yes,
without public
correct.
subnet, how to
Understood.
yeah.
Understood. Suppose I have to move my databases only on AWS. In that situation, I will create only private subnet, correct? And
Yes.
only for patching purpose or update purpose, I will create one public subnet in which NAT gateway will reside, and from NAT gateway, I will only use that NAT gateway to update my private server.
Yes.
Correct.
On for jump servers, you need
Yes.
public and application servers. So application server, you need internet, right? So then you will create the public subnet and you will deploy your application servers into your public subnet.
Yes. Yes. Correct.
Okay. Any questions here? Was there any questions? Are there any questions here?
No questions.
No.
So now what I will do? Yeah, in a private subnet, okay, I will create one NAT gateway. You can see here NAT gateway. Create NAT gateway. Select a private subnet. Which is my private subnet? I forgot. Cancel. Go subnet. Private public subnet. 6187. 6187. Here we should create NAT gateway in public subnet with Elastic API. Here I don't have any Elastic APIs. Just here create new Elastic API to get it automatically. It will assign. For NAT gateway, we need that Elastic API. Okay. Create. Done. Go to your route table. Go to your private subnet route table. Which is private subnet route table from a VPC? Which one? Private subnet route table. Uday, Hari? Which
Third
is
one.
my
Third one.
private subnet?
Yes. Third one.
Third one, main is equal to no. Main it is custom. It's
Okay.
custom. Custom route tables always will attach to public subnets, not to private.
Okay.
You can see here,
Then
main is equal to no. Custom route table.
main is
So
equal to
custom.
yes.
Sorry.
3 subnets where main is equal to yes is there, those are private subnet, I guess.
Yeah, those are private subnets. Yes, these are the private subnets. This is the public subnet. Why? Because always we will attach custom route tables to public subnet. If you see here, you can see here IGW. IGW means public subnet. So this is my VPC. New VPC. For new VPC, I have only one main table, one main route table. Means this is my private subnet route table because there nothing is there. Here I will add my NAT entry. NAT entry. Give 00 like yesterday. Okay, Uday, Hari, any questions here? Here I deployed my NAT gateway in public subnet and I am mentioning my NAT gateway ID in private subnet route table. Like this. For private subnet, we attach the main route table always, main route tables. For public subnets, we attach the custom route tables.
Okay.
Okay, Uday?
Yes.
Then, so just attach your route table to your subnet. You can see here, we didn't attach it. Previously, we didn't attach it here. We didn't attach it here. Just attach, edit, private, select private, just save it. Okay, now I associate my route table to my subnet. Right. Any questions as of now?
No
Any question?
question.
Uday?
No.
Okay. Now just simple, just restart your session. It is expired. User sudo su. Now SSH to your private server. Now I am away. SSH done. Just now try install git. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Uday.
Yes, correct.
Now what I will do, I will break that connection. Here I will remove my NAT gateway. Edit. Just remove NAT gateway entry. Just remove your NAT gateway entry. Save it. I removed my NAT gateway entry in my private subnet route table. Okay. Now I'll try to install just git. You can see here. It is not responding. It is not responding. Again here I will go. I will edit. I will add my NAT entry. Save it. Done, right? Just cancel. And, you can see already it was triggered. Okay, so this is private public server. Very important. In interview, without this traffic, they will not finish your AWS interview. That much important. In production also, we
Okay.
daily
Sorry, go on.
Yeah. In production also, we will use these things daily. Sometimes customer will report, I'm not getting internet, please provide internet, all those things and all. So then we have to work with the public, private, NAT gateways, internet gateways, all those things and all. Very important. Yeah, tell me, Jose, you were saying something?
Yes. Uh, so by default, when we create custom route table, that custom route table is automatically, or we can manually assign to a public subnet. But default
Manual.
route table is attached to private subnet, correct?
By default, they will not attach. We have to attach manually.
Okay. And in default route table, internet gateway is not there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, cool. Great.
Understand concept?
Yes, understood.
Okay. Right. Which is very important. Okay. So again, I will explain you. So what we did. So this is VPC. This is my subnet. Okay. VPC means, so okay, is like one networking in cloud. It will work as a one data center for us. We can create our network in with our our own network IP range. We can create our network in the cloud. So subnet means, so within the VPC we'll have the within the VPC or within the available zone we'll have the multiple, sorry, within the VPC or within the region we'll have the multiple available zones. Again, in each available zone, each available zone we can create the multiple that again we can get some networking. So some networking means we can divide or VPC into small parts, like multiple parts. That multiple parts we can create in within the available zone. These things will call subnet subnet, right? So the VPC, this is the subnet. Internet gateway. Internet gateway will provide internet access to our servers. Route table. Route table means, in route table we will mention the all our routing rules. Here I will create internet gateway and I will assign my VPC, and I will get the one custom route table. Custom means we will create. Yeah, custom means we will create. That's it. And we will create one route table called custom route table. In that custom route table, I will mention my IGW, my internet gateway ID. Then this thing I will attach to my subnet. Now this will become public subnet. Public subnet. Public subnet. So private subnet. Private subnet. So the server which are the private subnet, they won't connect to internet for security purpose and RDS, those things and all. If you need internet for your private subnet, then we'll go for the NAT gateway concept. So NAT gateway means NAT gateway will provide the internet access to private subnet. So here we can use internet gateway also, but we will not use for security purpose. Why? Because internet gateway will allow incoming and outgoing traffic, but NAT gateway will allow only incoming traffic. That's why we will go for the NAT gateway to get internet connection to private subnet servers. So here we should deploy private NAT gateway in public subnet, and it should be part of the your private subnet route table. Okay, Uday, Hari, maybe you are getting some. Okay, so just please go through last class video.
Yeah.
It's very important. Okay, if you
Okay.
that very important, that much, so no questions. Very important in production,
Okay.
in interviews.
Yes.
And tomorrow they will ask what is the difference between NAT gateway and internet gateway. Already we knows. And difference between public subnet and private subnet. And they will ask, so why we should use internet gateway for private subnet? So like why we should not use internet gateway? Why only we can use NAT gateway? So just so private subnet means, so for security purpose we will deploy our servers in private subnet. So that's why we will go for the NAT gateway. So NAT gateway will allow only incoming traffic. So for security feature, for security purpose, we can use for the NAT gateway. Okay, right here. Okay, Uday?
Yes.
Okay.
Correct.
Uday, any questions, any confusions? Are boring, interesting? How?
Yes. Very interesting.
So now what we will do? We will go for the documentation. We'll see documentation. The NAT gateway is designed to provide user instances that live in. Are there any questions, Hari?
No. You can continue.
Put in mute.
Okay. So
It is designed to provide user instances that live in private subnet with a route to internet, so they can download software packages and updates patching. A NAT gateway will prevent any host located outside of the VPC from initiating a connection with instances that are associated with it. It will allow only incoming traffic. A NAT gateway is needed because instances launched into private subnet can't communicate with the open internet. To communicate with open internet, then we'll go for the NAT. Placing instances in the private subnet creates a higher level of security, but also creates the limitation of the instances not being able to download software and software updates. A NAT gateway must be created in the public subnet and should be part of the private subnet route table. A NAT instance we'll discuss later. So, NAT instance we'll discuss later. So that's private and public subnet. So any questions? Just let me know if any questions here.
No questions so far.
So okay, yeah. Before initial days, I think before 4 or 5 years, initial days, we don't have NAT gateway. So okay, on that time, so they were using NAT instance. Nowadays, we are not using any NAT instance. 100%, we are using NAT gateway only. So before NAT gateway, before 4 or 5 years, initial days. Okay, so on that time, so they had NAT instance. Same concept, same purpose. NAT gateway, NAT instance, same purpose. So NAT gateway versus NAT instance. So NAT gateway, highly available. Why? Because it is managed by AWS. Whenever AWS managing something, then it will be highly available. NAT gateway highly available. NAT gateway is each available, implemented with the redundancy, create NAT gateway. It is managed with the, you don't need to manage anything. NAT gateway, just create, just leave it. That's it. Everything, the backend, the maintenance managed by the AWS. NAT instances we have to manage, like patching is not normal instance. NAT instance, normal instance, normal EC2. We have to manage patching, security features, updates, software, all those things like a normal instance. We have to manage the NAT instance. Bandwidth, it depends upon the your instance type, your virtual CPUs, your memory. Maintenance managed by AWS, managed by you. You have to manage this thing, NAT instance. Performance, so everything that say always high performance. Here depends upon your CPUs, depends upon your image, depends upon your memory, RAM, that cost. Okay, so here the same thing. Depends upon your instance type. They will charge here. Type and size, public IP. You use the elastic IP. Yes, you can use both elastic IP or public IP. Private IP. So security groups we will discuss later. These things we will discuss later. Flow logs we will discuss. We'll discuss now. We'll discuss now. Bash and host already that one. Jump servers. Jump servers. In interview, sometimes they may ask, what is the NAT gateway? What is the NAT instance? What is the difference between NAT instance? What is the difference between NAT gateway? Sometimes. But nowadays, we are not using any NAT instances in every project, in every production, in every company. Okay, Uday?
Yes, correct. No problem.
And, so 10:45. Okay, so we'll discuss something else. So VPC. Okay, new VPC. You can see here flow logs. So here we have one okay flow logs. Flow logs means you can see here. You can capture the IP traffic flow. You can capture that. So where it went. So that source IP, destination IP, source port, destination port, source protocol, destination protocol. All those things, no, we can capture here. Okay. So this thing, I think we will discuss later in CloudWatch. We will discuss this thing. We will discuss in CloudWatch. Okay. So now you will know your details.
I think today is enough because there are a lot of concepts today.
Okay, fine then. Okay, fine then. So tomorrow we'll discuss VPC pairing. VPC pairing. So tomorrow we will complete. Then pending is egress 5 minutes, DHCP 5 minutes, elastic IPs 5 minutes, endpoints 10 minutes. That's it. So then security groups half an hour or 20 minutes.
Are we
Yes.
going to do practical of VPN?
VPN, right? Here VPN in AWS we can create. If you want to do practical, then we need any VPN physical device or software. We'll see. Okay, not now. In AWS, just we will create, but that site. Okay, we will practice. Uday, we will practice.
Yes, because I need one, this practical example of VPN, because there will be no interview where VPN will not be asked.
Okay, we will practice.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Okay, then thanks. See you tomorrow.
Yes, okay. Thank you.